In this short video, we will share some tips and information about rustic interior design and try to cover the topic of how to create a rustic-inspired interior design in your space. Rustic design is characterized by the use of natural materials and earth tones, and often evokes a sense of warmth and connection to nature. To achieve this look in your space, consider these tips. Use natural materials. Rustic designs often incorporate natural materials such as wood, stone, and metal. This can be achieved by using wooden furniture, stone fireplaces, or metal lighting fixtures. Use earth tones. Rustic design often uses earth tones, such as browns, greens, and grays, which can be achieved by using natural materials such as wood, stone, and metal, as well as textiles and paint. Add natural textures. Rustic designs often incorporate natural textures, such as rough wood, woven fabrics, and burlap. This can be achieved by using natural materials, such as wooden coffee tables or burlap pillows. Use vintage and antique elements. Rustic design often includes vintage and antique elements, such as vintage lighting fixtures or antique appliances. It can give your space a sense of history and character. Add natural elements. Rustic designs often include natural elements, such as plants, flowers, and even branches. This can be achieved by adding plants, flowers, or branches to the space. It can also create a feeling of warmth and connection to nature. Add natural light. Rustic designs often include natural light, such as skylights or large windows. This can be achieved by adding skylights or large windows to the space. Create a sense of simplicity. Rustic design often has a sense of simplicity and functionality, which can be achieved by keeping the space uncluttered and focusing on essential design elements. By following these tips, you can create a rustic-inspired interior design that's warm, natural, and full of character. Remember, the key to creating a successful rustic-inspired design is to balance the use of natural materials, earth tones, and vintage elements to achieve a sense of simplicity and functionality. If you enjoy watching this video, then please like and subscribe so that you can get such informative videos timely.